How to get a copy of the death certificate. My name is Wanda Rochelle, and I'm a licensed realtor and probate specialist here in Georgia. Welcome to my channel. Today we are discussing a critical step in the probate process, and that is how to get a copy of the death certificate. One of the first steps in the probate process is to obtain a copy of the death certificate. You will need multiple copies for various reasons. In this video, I'm going to share how to obtain a death certificate online, in person, or by mail. At the end of the video, I'll give you some candid insight that I received from a funeral director as it relates to the death certificate. A death certificate is an official document issued by the government stating the time, place, and cause of death of an individual. The actual certificate is signed by a physician. To obtain a copy of a death certificate online, you need to go to the Georgia Department of Public Health website. I'll include the link in the description area of this video, or you can simply Google Georgia Department of Public Health. Once you're on the site, go to the Vital Records tab. This site will give you three options for online requests. One option is purchasing it directly through the state of Georgia, and the other two options are with third-party vendors. They all offer expedited service, but there is a surcharge. Now, this site will list the state-approved vendors. I highly suggest you go through one of them. Oftentimes, the internet will have imposters out there that want to get over on people, so please be careful. On the site, you will find the standard requests can take 8 to 10 weeks, and the expedited requests are done within 5 business days. If you choose to go in person, this same website will give you a list of the various offices around the state. Currently, most of the offices have walk-in service from 9 to 4 p.m. Monday through Friday, and that of course does not include holidays. To request a certificate by mail, you will need to complete a form 3912. As of today, when this video is being recorded, the fee for the certificate is $25 for the first one and then $5 for any additional copies. Now here's the insight that I received from a funeral director. The funeral home will generally order the death certificate for you. Once they receive it, it can only be given to the immediate next of kin. That person has to present a picture ID to pick it up. What can cause a delay? A delay in obtaining a copy of the death certificate can be caused if the doctor has not signed it. Funeral directors sometimes have the difficult task of trying to get the doctor or medical examiner to sign the certificate. Remember, the death certificate is not valid unless the physician has signed it. The funeral director that I spoke to indicated they call hospitals, doctors' offices, and sometimes medical examiners depending on the nature of the death of the individual in order to get it signed. He also mentioned the hospital staff will sometimes state Dr. so-and-so only signs death certificates on Tuesdays or whatever the schedule is. Or he may say Dr. so-and-so only signs the death certificates once a month. So that can actually cause a delay in getting the death certificate signed. Once it's signed, Vital Records will process the certificate. You will need a copy of the death certificate or some other document showing proof of your loved one's passing in order to file a petition for your probate case. You may be watching this video because a loved one has passed away, and I sincerely pray God comforts you and your family in the days ahead. I previously did a video that references what to look for in a funeral home. That's another video that I highly suggest that you watch. I hope this video has been helpful. My name is Wanda Rochelle, and I'm a licensed realtor and probate specialist here in Georgia. Please share the video, subscribe to the page, and feel free to comment below if you have any questions. I'll see you on the next video. Oh, and don't forget, please let me know if you have any real estate needs here in Georgia.